What up, YouTube? So today is going to be part 6 of the H22 swapped Civic EG, and today we're going to be doing some bay preparation and getting everything cleaned up so we can actually spray the bay and get everything looking a lot more cleaner than it was before. So we're going to be taking off this mount so I can get all the mounts sprayed, get all this taken out, and the wiring. Probably gonna do a wire tuck under the fenders, take all our grounds, brake booster, clutch master cylinder, all our brake lines, battery tray, fuse box, pretty much everything in here so we can start sanding it down. And we're gonna have to get some new hoses for this. We're gonna delete all the fuel, original fuel filter setup. Get rid of this line. We're gonna be running braided lines. Yeah, pretty much just getting everything prepped on that, and then we'll be taking off the lights, fenders. Also, we're gonna be like I said, getting the mounts all painted up, so we'll take this one off too as well, the bracket, and just get all this cleaned up. And we're gonna respray everything, so when we put the RBC manifold on here, everything will look really clean and everything on here. So we'll be taking off the transmission and cleaning it all up as well so we can spray it, as well as the block and valve cover. All this needs to come apart, and then I think the next video, when it's all clean and taken apart, that's when we'll do the timing belt and put the RBC and show you guys the process of putting the K-Series manifold on here with the adapter from Skunk 2. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking some stuff apart, and then we'll come back and show what I've done, and pretty much get ready to get this thing painted up. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking things apart, and we'll come back. Alright, so got a couple things going. Got the headlights and corners off. I took off the reservoir bracket, the rear mount. I got the heater hoses off. Pretty much everything is almost ready. I just got to take off the brake booster, the clutch master cylinder, the reservoir, get these lines out the way, and then start tucking the lines back inside, so it'll be a lot easier to spray everything as well. And then we'll bring the brake lines forward and just wrap those up. Other than that, it's almost getting there to where we can start sanding it down. I'm not sure if we're going to paint it on this video, but it'll definitely be all prepped and ready for a paint, at least maybe Friday or Saturday. So we'll get on to that. Next, we're going to do, like I said right now, is just go inside. We're going to take out the brake booster, clutch master. We're also gonna put the lines all back inside, and then we'll start actually getting to the motor and start cleaning that up. Alright, so we are back now, and I got pretty much everything stripped down. Brake booster, master cylinder, all the brake lines, all the headlights, corners, fenders, pretty much everything, so I can clean everything up and start sanding it down and start getting this bay looking a lot fresher. After I clean this all up real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down again and then start sanding, and then we'll start doing do its first coat, and then let it dry up. And then the next day, on the next video, after we get to probably doing the timing belt and putting the RBC manifold on here, and pretty much just getting everything ready for the ECU is sent out right now. So we'll be able to put the coil pack on, and we got to spray down the motor, spray the valve cover, and right now we also I'm gonna take this mount off, and we're gonna get all the mounts together, sand those down, get those all cleaned up, and then I'm also take the transmission apart and get to the T-bracket. We're gonna clean this all up as well. The harness too, probably gonna pretty much take everything apart. So I'm gonna start taking apart the tranny, and then start cleaning this up, and we'll do a little spray down on it real fast, and then we'll come back. Alright, so I got the transmission off right now. Just want to show you guys I got that off, and then I'm about to get ready to prep the motor mounts as well. I started spraying the bay. I ran out of paint, so I'll get back to that later. Probably next video. I just really wanted to see how the color was going to look, and it looks pretty good. So right now I'm going to go ahead and start getting to the transmission and cleaning that up so we can spray it down, and then we'll probably get to the intake manifold and start taking that off so we can also take off the engine harness and start cleaning up the engine as well so we can get that ready for paint. Other than that, yeah, I'm gonna start getting the mounts ready and the transmission so we can spray those, and then probably after that we'll probably just be ending the video after the intake manifold as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock those out and we'll come back. Alright, so we're back now. I got the h22 intake manifold off, so I think we're actually gonna be saving some weight. This thing's pretty heavy itself compared to the RBC manifold. I got the stock or the aftermarket mounts painted. I still got to paint the stock T-bracket. I ran out of paint though, so also painted the little tow hooks and the subframe. So next video I'll be finishing all that up, redoing the whole bay again, and then finish tucking. We're gonna tuck the harness up under the fender, so give it a little bit cleaner look. We got the transmission all sprayed up, so I'll probably spray one more coat again, and then we'll get to the engine. Next video we'll be doing the timing and getting the K-series adapter on here. We need a new intake manifold gasket. We need a new valve cover gasket, and then I'm gonna see if I can try to find the factory cover for the timing. If anybody does have one, let me know. Other than that, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video, guys. Next video we got a lot more work. Hopefully we can get the tranny back on, the engine sprayed, and RBC manifold install, and finish tucking the bay and then spraying it up one more time, and then we can after that swap the motor back in. Hopefully the ECU will be back by then, so we can probably by like video number 8 we'll be able to start it back up with the coil packs, the K-series manifold. Also got to install the new fuel pump as well, so stay tuned for that. I think we're going to be doing some upgraded brakes and stuff too as well, so we'll see as the series goes. If you haven't, like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.